you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and happy Wednesday. I can't believe the week is half over already. Absolutely insane. But today's video is something really exciting. I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, giving you guys my first impressions on the brand new June LUSH subscription box. Now this actually got delivered to me today and I could not wait to film this video. I needed to film it ASAP, get it up for you guys tomorrow because I cannot wait to open this. It feels very weighty this time, I'm not gonna lie. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump right in and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I'm not going to go into too much detail in regards to the box itself. You basically pay a fee every single month automatically and it gets shipped to you at the beginning of every single month. You can also vote for products. I personally don't vote because I don't want to ruin it at all. I'd rather have the box as a complete surprise so that I can unbox it on my channel for you guys. So that is what I do, but obviously you can vote if you want to. But opening up the box, the first thing we have is the Dream On Sleepy head eye mask. So opening this up, it's wrapped in some obviously recycled paper, which is super cute, and then you receive a beautiful eye mask. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really much of an eye mask gal. I just get a little bit scared that like I can't see. I don't know why, it sounds really stupid because I'm asleep, but let me know if you guys know what I mean. But this one feels really good. It's elasticated on the back. It feels really soft, so maybe I will give this a go. But yeah, I love this. I love that they do give a little bit of kind of, not like fashion stuff, but they give you like, what's the word? I can't even think of what it's called, but like keepsake bits, do you know what I mean? Last month I got a little tote bag, this month an eye mask. It's very nice. I do really like that. So I've come to realise that I am going to have to look at what's inside because I want to go through the ingredients and stuff. So the next item that I'm pulling out, I'm only going to be able to hold for a few seconds. This is the Sleepy Head Massage Bar. It's literally melting in my fingers because it's very hot today. But this smells really good. Very familiar. It doesn't smell like Sleepy though, it's almost a completely different scent. Very spa-like, very melty in my fingers. I need to put that down because my hands are super oily now, but that smells really nice. In terms of ingredients, this one has fair trade cocoa butter, shea butter, horsetail herb extracted in jojoba oil. What the hell is that? No idea. But it also has lavender oil, ylang ylang oil, so it has got obviously a few ingredients similar to Sleepy, but it doesn't smell like Sleepy. Does that make sense? That smells really good though. Oh, that's lovely. The only thing about that is it is very thick, so I'm not sure how I'm going to store that, but oh, that smells lovely. Really happy with that. So next in the box we have a shower gel. This is the Intergalactic Shower Gel in the 250-gram pot. Now, bottle, you know what I mean. Now I'm really glad this was in here actually. It's a really good value for money item, so I'm really impressed to have a shower gel. And this obviously is peppermint infusion, peppermint oil, grapefruit, vetiver oil, cedarwood. It smells exactly like the bath bomb and I absolutely love Intergalactic, so let's smell it. Oh, so lovely and fresh. Definitely a more shower gel, do you know what I mean? It's not like a bathy shower gel. It's a really strong, invigorating, fresh summer shower gel. So I think this has come at a really great time and I love this. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Really impressed to have this in this box. So next up, oh my god. Okay guys, I'm not being funny. I am in love with this product and I was so gutted when they discontinued this. Oh, this is amazing. This is the Rough with the Smooth body scrub. I don't even need to look at the sheet. I love this product so much because it smells like Lord of Misrule shower gel. Oh my god. I wish there was smell-o-vision, guys, because honestly, this is one of my all-time favourite scrubs. And they discontinued it and I kind of forgot about it, but oh, this is amazing. And I'm so glad to have this because I'm actually currently using my last one. I stocked up, as you guys can imagine, no shock. But this is amazing. And in terms of ingredients, this one has granulated sugar, muri butter, castor oil, black pepper, vanilla, patchouli. Oh, this is so good. Okay, let's put that down because I'm just going to inhale all of that. But that's unreal and it's so soft and sugary, obviously, so it is really nice and scrubby. And I've got it all over my hands, so I'm just gonna have to all over my bed, which is great. Okay, the next item, ooh, okay, this is the grass body lotion. It says, like a roll in the hay or a morning stroll through the woods. Very cool. Now, I'm not gonna lie, grass is one of my least favourite scents ever because it smells like a garden. You guys know I'm not a gardeny kind of gal. I don't like the smell of garden at all. But I'm gonna be optimistic and I'm gonna go with an open mind. I'm just gonna smell it and we're gonna go from there. Actually not bad. It kind of smells more, do you know what, I need to put some on because I need to like actually smell it on the skin. It smells kind of like a mix of grass and like sympathy for the skin. That's actually quite nice. Very, very fresh. Maybe I like grass now. That smells amazing actually. I'm also really impressed with the size of the pot of this because obviously we've got this, the shower gel, a body scrub and a massage bar so far for £30, which is really, really good. I personally think anyway. I know it's probably quite a lot of money obviously, but that's such a good value. So yeah, I really like that. That's really good. Maybe I'm converted. I'm not gonna say it, but I might be a little bit converted because that smells really good. Yummy. Love that. And last but not least, I think this is the last item in the box. Yes, it is. This is a bath bomb, and this is the White Noise Bath Bomb. And ingredients wise, this has cedarwood oil, Sicilian red mandarin oil and patchouli oil and benzoin resinoid, which I'm not sure what that is, but let's give it a smell. Okay, this is definitely what I've been smelling throughout this whole video. Super lemony and like limey and fresh. Really, really good though. It almost smells like a mix of Dragon's Egg and Avo Bath. It's a really fresh, zingy, citrusy scent. Really, really good though. I'm really excited to see what this does in the water because it's like blue and grey and white and green. Very interesting. But that smells really, really good. Definitely up my street in terms of scents. I absolutely love that. So that is everything for Lush's June subscription box. I am so impressed with the box this month. I'm really, really happy with everything that I got. And just to go over it one more time, we got the Grass Body Lotion, Intergalactic Shower Gel, the Rub with the Smooth Body Scrub, the Sleepyhead Massage Bar, and the White Noise Bath Bomb. I really, really love that we've got kind of one of each product and they didn't double up on anything, and I'm just really, really impressed. So a definite 10 out of 10 for me this month. Absolutely obsessed with it. Obviously we got the face mask as well, so a really good value for money box I think. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Love it. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know down below whether you've subscribed to the Lush subscription box or whether it's something you think you're going to do in the future, because I hesitated for a year and I finally was like, do you know what, I'm going to bite the bullet, I'm going to do it just for you guys, and I'm absolutely loving it so far. So it's definitely something that I look forward to every single month, 100%. Please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you did enjoy. Obviously don't forget to subscribe as well, because as I say at the end of every video, I do currently have a 10k giveaway going on right now, so make sure you enter that, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything else that I'm going to be doing in the future, and I will see you guys on Sunday at 6:30 for a brand new video. Bye guys!